Today we're gonna make this incredibly easy appetizer, Beet Napoleon, perfect for holiday entertaining. I'm Nikki Gleckis and this is Nikki's Modern Mediterranean. To get started on making our Beet Napoleon, we're gonna take whole beets. I've boiled them until fork tender. I've let them cooled and cleaned them and peeled the skin. So now I have one whole beet. So this recipe, now you're gonna see my fingers get a little red, but keep a wet paper towel to wipe them right away and they won't stain. So we're gonna take our whole beet and I'm gonna slice this just into thick rounds. So a good thick chunk there. Look how pretty this is. This beautiful color, and they are nice big hearty pieces. So I'm gonna take these 3 pieces here. Again, wipe your fingers so that they don't stain. And I'm gonna take just a round cutter. This one I have at home that I'm just gonna cut a perfect circle down. And then all the excess pieces, I don't let anything go to waste. I'm gonna put them in a container and use them for a salad later. But I'm gonna make them perfect circles. And this recipe is really great when you're having a small dinner party and you feel adventurous to have, maybe a plated meal. This one is a great starter. It has beautiful, vibrant colors that are great for holiday, and it's a great alternative to just a traditional salad because you have your earthy vegetable, some goat cheese, and we're gonna use some pesto and balsamic. So we used to make this a lot at the restaurant as an appetizer. It has beautiful colors, so we should often make it for holiday. So I have our 3 round circles right here. Just clean up the edges so that they're perfectly round. And then I'm gonna take our goat cheese and just slice this as well. You need about a half a log of goat cheese for this. I'm gonna put that like that. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut a couple pieces here. Perfect, okay. So we have our goat cheese and our beets. And what we're gonna do is we're just going to take 1 piece of the beet and smash down the goat cheese. Just 2 pieces like that. And you want it to go all the way to the edges so that you can see the pretty colors once I layer it. Next piece of beet, see that? And we're gonna put some more goat cheese down. So really 4 pieces of goat cheese is perfect for this. And then 1 more beet on top. And I'm gonna just smush that down. This is so easy. I have assembled this beautiful stack of Napoleon, beets and goat cheese. When you're having a dinner party and you're entertaining, you can make all of these ahead of time, put them in the refrigerator, and then the next step is just plating it. So we're gonna take our simple, clean white plate, and I have some just store-bought pesto. And I'm gonna add the pesto with just a spoon. There's a lot of olive oil on the top, which is great for plating. So I'm gonna take that, and I'm just going to carefully plate this, or plate the pesto around the plate in a circle. You are gonna look like a professional chef if you're making this for your friends. We're gonna get this all the way around, and this is gonna add such beautiful color to your table, especially if you're making this around the holidays. And this is so simple and easy to make. And like I said, this is definitely a wow. So we're gonna put that just little pesto around the plate. Take our beautiful Beet Napoleon in the center of the plate. Look at that. And then just some balsamic reduction that I use often. Drizzle that on top. If you want, you could top with some microgreens on top, or you can serve it just like this, and you will be the star of the show, or this should be the star of the show at your next dinner party. I I hope you enjoyed today's episode and you tried this recipe for your next holiday gathering. For the full recipe and instructions, visit nikkiglickis.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.